Hello there, I'm Roger Graham, the founder and CEO of Orana Software, and today I wanted to share with you the experience of an OwnerRez and Orana Stay integration. Our difference is that the integration with OwnerRez is a full integration, and what that means is that all the information we can get our hands on in OwnerRez will flow into your Orana Stay digital guards. Now, for those of you that don't know what a digital guard is basically we take over where your booking ends. So if you can think of a guest journey, they come along, they book, and that booking ends up in your OwnerRez software. We then pick up that reservation and continue it to give the guest the experience they really want and need for the duration of their stay and even after their stay. The information we can pull through is pretty comprehensive. So whatever information you've stored within OwnerRez, we can display it quite easily. And what this means is that your digital guards, generally 70 to 80% of the guide can actually be created just from your OwnerRez data. But the other 20% is the stuff outside of OwnerRez. This is really useful because we know in the industry that time is a very valuable commodity. And this saves you the amount of time to keep your guards up to date. What we also do is we integrate the Orana Stay with TripAdvisor or Yelp, which will automatically populate your digital guards with restaurant information, attractions, etc. And you can still also include showcase restaurants and attractions if you have specific ones that you want to showcase for your property. I don't want to spend too much time on the integrations, just so that you know that it's a very comprehensive. What we're going to do now is to show you what the app looks like. This is what your guests will see, and it's really good for you to get a visual on how it works and how easy it is. It's really designed around simplicity and ease of use for your guests. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing you'll see on your screen now is the mobile app that's running. This is just a sample that we've put together that just gives an illustration of how the OwnerRez and Orana Stay integrations happen. Now, one thing I will also point out is that we can actually personalize the journey. So the app can actually say to the guest, "Dear John, welcome to our accommodation. We look forward to welcoming you on December the 12th. So we can go down to that level within our integrations. You'll see on the screen, the colors, etc., can all be changed to suit your branding and your mood. At the top, we've got a couple of icons, and the bottom there's a couple of icons as well. And these are designed around ease of use. One of our feature sets is the ability to automatically translate your guides from English into 106 different languages. So this means your international guests don't have to struggle trying to use an app that's in English. They simply select their language, it remembers that, and all the content will automatically translate in real time based on their selection. We also include the local weather. In this example, this is Palm Springs. And we also include directions. And so this means the guests don't have to put the directions into their GPS, etc. They simply put the Get Directions button. What that does, that'll either load up Apple Maps or Google Maps and show them how to get to the location. And in this case, this is from Las Vegas through to Palm Springs. We've also got icons at the top for the phone, the email, and the website. And soon to be coming is our shopping cart, which will allow guests to purchase items from yourselves. And this could be, for example, you may want to showcase local artists in the area by hanging their paintings on the wall, etc., and then allowing guests to purchase those. If we go back home, the logo, the information, and the address, that all obviously comes from your property, and that automatically feeds from OwnerRez. The heart of the system is our guide. And basically, the guide contains all the information that you want to give to your guests. Now, all the information you can put in there can either be a video, images, we can include directions, showcases, etc. It's a very simple method. It's an app. You scroll back and forth. You might want to see what to expect. You tap on that, it drills you down. And you can have as many submenus as you want as well. So, for example, here we've got the Wi-Fi information. Scrolling between information, it's just a scrolling mechanism, or you go back and tick on the boxes to get back to where you need to go. The other button that's important is social media. We highly recommend you promote your social media through Facebook, Instagram, etc. This allows guests to leave information about their stay on your social media, which then informs their friends and family, etc. And then it raises the profile of your accommodation, which results in more bookings. Other main features are what we call our booking button. I've just put a very simple example here for bookings to restaurants and attractions in the area. You can also link this through to your OwnerRez booking page, so you bypass the OTAs, and people that are coming back simply book straight on your website, which obviously saves you on those fees. It's a very brief intro, very short. There's obviously a lot more depth to the product, but I just really want to give you an idea of who we are and what we do. Please reach out to myself or my team, and let's see how we can help you integrate OwnerRez with Orana Stay. I'm Roger Graham, and thank you for watching this video.